Your first quilt project of 2026. Happy New Year, everyone. Are you excited by the new year, or does it feel all too overwhelming? Whichever way you're feeling, I've got you. Make sure you stick around to the end for my bonus tip. I'm Linda Johnson from Coffee First Quilt Crew. I've been quilting for over 20 years. Let me help you on your quilting journey. So it's a new year and you don't know where to start. That's okay. I know it's only January 3rd and you're over it. December was a long month and you have so much to do. You can't even think about quilting. It's time to look at what you have and start to think about what you want to achieve in 2026. WIPs, works in progress. First, pull out all of your WIPs or UFOs, also known as unfinished objects. It doesn't matter that they were supposed to be finished by X date. It didn't happen and that's okay. So some Christmas gifts didn't get done and you bought something else instead. Christmas is coming again and you will have one less gift to buy if you get that quilt done this year. Inventory. Now that you've pulled out your projects, take a physical inventory of them. For projects that you completed the top, do you have the backing fabric and the binding? If not, make a plan to shop your stash first or visit a shop. For projects that you partially finished the top, do you have the rest of the fabric for the top? Have you done the cutting for the remainder of the top? For projects that you kitted, but that's as far as you got, are you inspired to make the projects? Make a plan. Now to finish these projects before starting anything new. Allocate a month to each project and get as much done as you can during that month. I follow the Quilted Forest, who starts at the beginning of the year, pulls out 12 WIP projects, allocates a number to each one, and each month she randomly pulls a number out of a hat. We work on whichever number that we've allocated to that number during that month. I managed to complete quite a few quilt tops by doing this, and they've been sitting around, some for many, many years. So make a plan. Is it time for a challenge? Besides your WIPs, how about challenging yourself with a different type of quilt or technique? I'm doing this. In 2026, I will make my first Lone Star quilt. I have wanted to do one forever, and they're scary, but I can do it. Is it time to take a class because you want to try a new technique? If challenging yourself isn't ideal, how about taking a class to learn a new technique or pattern instead? Classes could be either in person or virtual, whichever works for you. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really makes a big difference. In addition to posting videos, I also send out a weekly email on all things quilting, including tips, tutorial, product reviews, and more. Check out the description for the link to join today. Since you stuck around to the end, I have one last tip to share. Try to get a plan in place before the end of this month. This way, you start off the new year with a plan. Life can and will get in the way, but at least you know what direction you are traveling, so it shouldn't push you totally off course. Happy New Year, everyone, and let's make some amazing things this year. Thanks for watching. See you soon.